Guys, just a really quick video today to show you how to get free Xbox codes in 2024. This method is awesome. You're gonna get a $100 Xbox gift card code for completely free. Let's get into it. Make sure you have internet access and use your mobile phone. You can see I'm using an iPhone, but it doesn't matter which one you use. Go to this website, wavycoupons.com. So make sure you search it like this, guys, to go to Wavy Coupons. Now this website is awesome. You can either scroll down and look for the Xbox page, or you can hit the search bar at the top, type in Xbox gift, and it should just pop out Xbox gift card codes and coupons. So you want to go to this page here. Now you can see there are multiple codes to choose between, such as gift cards, Game Pass, free games, Xbox Live. So click on show coupon for the $100 free Xbox gift card code. This is going to pop up. You need to unlock your personal code. Obviously these are pretty valuable codes, guys, so this just prevents someone from stealing them. Tap unlock code, and you're gonna need to follow the instructions on the screen that follows. It's gonna tell you exactly how to unlock your code, and it takes around 5 to 10 minutes, and it's super easy and completely free. So go to wavycoupons.com and get your free Xbox codes, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that like button, leave a comment below, all that good stuff, and I'll see you next time.